Okay guys, so I am here with my new horse I just bought. I bought him because he was too wild for the person who owned him. So yeah. So right now he's just walking around the paddock. So sometimes you'll see him with his mane up like this, and sometimes you'll see him with his mane down. That's because we put it up sometimes. Okay, here I'm gonna bring him to the stable. So he's following me. I don't have to lead him, but I do have a halter on him, so I'll see you guys when I get him to the stable. Oh, easy boy. I'll see you guys when I get him to the stable. Okay, so I got him into the stable. So I'm gonna let him rest for a little bit, and then I'm going to train him. So I'll see you guys when I train.